Hello friends! Welcome to the Samba Basic Step tutorial. Samba is a beautiful Brazilian dance full of rhythm and fun. Don't we love the Samba dancers?
Yay!
Yay! So Samba has bounce. Let's all try this together. So bounce is when we bend and straighten our knees, and while we do that, our hips are going forward. So we don't accent the back movement, we accent the forward movement. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we bend our knees on the count and we straighten our knees on 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember this movement because we need this movement in our Samba Basic Step. So dancers, let's show Samba Basic Step. And we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. So now let's break it down. Samba Basic Step has a 3/4, quarter 1 rhythm. That's the duration of time that we spend on each step. So let's show it, dancers. So we have 3/4, quarter 1, 3/4, quarter 1, 3/4, quarter 1, 3/4, quarter 1. Beautiful. So now the step consists out of the movement forward, and we can do it either with the right or the left leg. Then we close our feet, transfer weight, and then we go down, and then we go back with the opposite leg. And we go 3, 4. Forward with one foot and backward with the opposite foot. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's turn it sideways, dancers. Now when we go up and we take a step forward, our back foot has to be turned out and our hip should be up. Then we go 2, then we step back, our inner thighs are together and our front foot is turned out as well. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your posture slightly forward and keep engaging your center to take a step. Very good. Are we ready to do it with the music, dancers?
Yeah.
Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3/4, quarter 1. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 2, 3. Make sure you stretch your knee on Stretch, go. Stretch, go. Stretch, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Good job, dancers. Practice Samba Basic Step, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!